take a deep breath and look at the year on your screen, 2041. That is the year you will finally stop paying for the car you're looking at today. In Volume 1 of this series, we pulled back the curtain on the 50-year mortgage, the bank's way of turning your home into a lifetime rental. But today we're looking at a trap that's even more dangerous because it's marketed as financial relief. I'm talking about the 15-year car loan. If you think a 50-year mortgage is a long time to pay for a house, wait until you see the math on paying for a car until the year 2041. Both of these videos are part of the same lifetime debt collection strategy designed to ensure your most productive years are spent servicing a bank's bottom line instead of building your own liquidity. You might be thinking, Karla, I've never seen a 15-year loan at my local dealer. You're right. Standard terms are still 6 to 8 years, but the lifestyle loan is being prepared for you right now in Washington. Congress recently introduced the Expanding Access to Lending Options Act. This bill is designed to allow credit unions to push loan maturities out to 20 years. They're calling it a way to help families stay on top of financial obligations. At the same time, the One Big Beautiful Bill was signed into law, which includes a tax deduction up to $10,000 a year for interest paid on qualifying new American-made vehicles. Here is the wealth beyond the paycheck warning. DC is handing you a tax break with one hand while the banks extend the loan term with the other. Let's look at the numbers. You want a $60,000 SUV. At 8% interest, a 15-year term looks manageable at about $573 a month. But over those 180 months, you aren't paying $60,000. You are paying $103,222. That is $43,000 in ghost capital. By 2041, that SUV will be a museum piece. You will have spent 6 figures to own an asset worth roughly $8,000. This isn't a purchase, it's a wealth suicide mission. If you want wealth beyond the paycheck, you need a filter. My rule is 20, 5, 10. First, 20% down. This is your depreciation insurance. It ensures you aren't underwater the moment you drive off the lot. Second, a 5-year term. If you can't pay for the car in 60 months, the car is simply too expensive for your current rank. And third, 10% of your income. Your total cost, that's your payment plus insurance plus fuel, cannot exceed 10% of your gross pay. If your car costs more than 10%, you are car rich and freedom poor. You are trading your Monday mornings just to pay for the metal in your driveway. Is that seat heater worth 40 hours of your life every single month? Don't let them turn your mobility into a liability. Comment 2041 below if you are committing to the 5-year limit. Listen. Escaping the debt trap is only step 1. Now that you know how to stop the bleeding, you need to know where the money is moving next. In the final part of this trilogy, I'm showing you the 3 massive trends for 2026 that will help you rebuild the wealth the banks tried to take. We're talking about the income revolution, how to collect double-digit yields from the market regardless of the economy. The rise of fractional real estate, where you become the landlord of high-end properties without the debt, and the energy AI supercycle, the new land wealth of the digital age. I'm Karla Sinclair, and thank you for watching Wealth Beyond the Paycheck. If you are ready to build a financial legacy that truly builds wealth beyond the paycheck, hit that subscribe button. We will see you on the next mission.